Okay, so today we're going to talk about the SRO canteen kit. There's a few aspects of this that make it a standout item for me. For one, the carrying pouch has a harness that keeps everything in there securely, so you don't have to worry about it falling out. The other thing is these pouches on the side. What I like to do is I keep my fire, or one of my fire kits, in one of the sides for easy access, because I mean you're going to need it for cooking, for boiling water, anything like that. And then the other side, I keep a multi-tool. It's just a little K-bar hobo eating tool. It's got a knife, a fork, and a spoon on it. And that way I have that handy. I'm not searching around for it. I keep it with my actual cook kit. So we're gonna open this up and get on into the insides of it and see what's inside of there. So first off, got your SRO logo right here. Reliance Outfitters by Dave Canterbury. You can see it's got a very thick, well-made cap with a rubber gasket in there, so you don't have to worry about leaking water out anywhere. It's got one seam right here that's actually raised up, and you'll see why in a second. But it's got a wide mouth bottle opening for the canteen, stainless steel construction. And this, if I can get it out easily, let me see here. This is why that seam comes in handy, because it nests right in there like that. And as you can see, this thing's seen some use, but the design of it is what I really like, because you can tell it's very well thought out. So when you open this up, this little piece drops down right there and locks it into place. So you've got a cook cup, but inside you can see the measurements on it. So you know exactly for recipes and whatnot like that. But this little thing right here, this little sleeve, just really comes in handy and locks everything into place. And it's got a good generous handle. So even if you've got gloves on, you can still get around that. You don't have to worry about it, your hand getting in the way or the gloves getting in the way or anything like that. And the other piece that it nests in is actually, it doubles as a stove. So you can put twigs and leaf debris and stuff like that in there. You've got the vent holes right here for the fire to come up through. So once you've collected your water, and like, let's say you're making one of these dehydrated mountain house camp meals or something like that, you add it in there. You add the amount of water from your canteen that you need, clean water, granted, but water nonetheless, and you boil it up over the fire, and you got your utensils right here, and you got a ready-made meal all in one kit. So like I said, this thing is highly valuable to me. I've used it a lot, and if I'm reaching for one particular cooking setup that I have, it's most likely going to be this one, because I can carry my water, I have something to cook it in, I have something to cook it on, and I have this lid right here to keep it, keep all my water in place and not have it leak out all over my gear. If you look on the SRO or Reliance Outfitters website, they also have, let me just mix it up a little bit. They also have bottle hangers, which is basically a compression spring, and you push it down and it fits inside of here, and then you let it open and you can hang it over the fire and boil it right in here if you don't want to use any of the rest of these pieces. But check them out. They got a really good website. It's a family-owned business made in America, and I can't say enough good about them. I haven't got a bad product from SRO yet, so definitely give them a look. And if you're looking for a canteen kit, this is the one that I would recommend. Thanks.